Hi friends, and welcome back to Trinikidstv. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so nice of you to join us today. Now let's get started by singing the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Do you know what day it is today, friends? Well, it's two things. It's Monday and it's also Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. We all know that Valentine's Day is a wonderful day to express our love for our family and friends and our loved ones, right? So we are going to have a wonderful circle time today. Now, let's say the months of the year and sing our 7-day song. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now let's sing our song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful. Now, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a sunny day. And that's wonderful. Now, let's talk about our color of the day today. Our color of the day today, yes, you guessed it, it's the color red. Yes, red is our color of the day. Can you think of something that might be red? Well, I have a red Valentine's balloon here with me. Red. And I'm sure you can see lots of things, especially in this time, that are red, like roses or even your teddy bears and chocolates that people receive around this time. Yes, red. Our shape of the day today is, of course, a heart. Yes, our heart is the shape of the day. Wonderful, friends. Now, let's talk about our number of the day today. Our number of the day today is the number 10. Yes, 10 is our number of the day. Can we count to 10? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, friends. That was wonderful counting. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day today. Take a look, friends. Our letter for today is the letter E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for earth. E. Wonderful! Did we learn some awesome new words in our letter of the day? Well, now that we know our letter of the day, let's take a look at our area of the day today. Let's go! Our area of the day today is Ecuador. Take a look at all the places you can visit in Ecuador. Beautiful, isn't it? Wonderful. We have some beautiful places all around the world, right? Now, friends, let's get into our lesson for today. Today, of course, we'll be talking about Valentine's Day and how important it is to share your love to your friends and your family, right? Valentine's Day is a special day when people observe or take time to spend time with their loved ones or send wonderful messages. Especially in this time, you can send a nice Valentine's greeting over the phone. So it's a wonderful time to share with friends. And today's activity, we are going to create a Valentine's Day banner. Yes, and of course you can use this banner when you are sending your nice video message to your family and friends that might be far away from you. So take a look at how you can create your very own Valentine's Day banner. For today's activity, we are going to make a Valentine's Day banner. Now it's very simple. All you need to do is get some paper. You can use colored paper, you can use whatever color you choose. You can color it whatever you like. Then you're going to make a nice little design, cut out a little design, or you can leave it as it is to create your banner. Now you're going to get 9 of these papers. You can switch out the colors or you can leave them all the same. Once you've done that, then you're going to write the word Valentine on your little banner and then tie them up with a piece of string. And then now you're ready to have your Valentine's Day celebration. I hope you have fun with this activity, friends. Well, friends, I hope you enjoy your wonderful day today, and I hope you made a beautiful, wonderful banner. Remember, you can use your creativity and tweak it however you like. Thank you for joining me today, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.